A wad of currency notes was recovered by the security officials from seat number 222, presently allotted to Shri Abhishek Manu Singhvi.
जब तक आपको ऑथेंटिसिटी से कोई एक व्यक्ति के पास या कोई एक सीट के ऊपर मिला है, उसका ऑथेंटिसिटी नहीं होता, तब तक तो उसका नाम बोलना ही नहीं।
Chairman has rightly pointed out the seat number and the member who occupies that particular seat number. What is wrong in that?
ये घटना बहुत ही असाधारण घटना है और बहुत ही सीरियस नेचर की घटना है। यह घटना पक्ष और विपक्ष में विभाजित होने के लिए नहीं है, ये सदन की गरिमा पर एक चोट है।
I hereby inform that during the routine anti-sabotage check of the chamber after the adjournment of the House yesterday, apparently a wad of currency notes was recovered by the security officials from seat number 222, presently allotted to Shri Abhishek Manu Singhvi, elected from the state of Telangana for the term 2024 to 2026. The matter was brought to my notice, and I felt it expedient, as per practice and ordainment, to ensure that investigation takes place in accordance with law, and the same is underway. Honorable members, honorable members, nothing is going on record. Nothing is going on record. Honorable members, honorable members. One second. Take your seat. Honorable members, it was my duty, and I am obliged to inform the House. And information is imparted for a very simple reason, that this is a routine anti-sabotage check which takes place. When it was brought to my notice, I thought someone would come to reclaim it. Since nothing happened since this morning, we are, number one, I am not aware. You can't make out from the look currency notes whether they are fake or not. Apparently, denomination is 500 rupees. Word appears to be physically of 100 notes. But all these are subject to serious investigation. And I'm sure no one should be opposed to an investigation, because this House, even otherwise, has to send a signal. We are increasingly getting into formal economy. Does it indicate, Honorable Finance Minister, state of economy that people can afford to forget? On this issue, sir. Sir, I'll request you to confine to this issue,
issue.
please.
I am not going beyond that because I know that you will not allow if I go beyond that. सर, मेरा एक ही निवेदन है, ये मैटर आपने कहा कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन में है। जब तक इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं होता और जब तक आपको ऑथेंटिसिटी से कोई एक व्यक्ति के पास या कोई एक सीट के ऊपर मिला है, उसका ऑथेंटिसिटी नहीं होता, तब तक तो उसका नाम बोलना ही नहीं। ये अरे छोड़ो भाई, सर, you know, you all lawyers, can he do like this?
1 second.
And these people, ये एक, अरे छोड़ो, ये सब ऐसे चिल्लर काम करके ही देश को बदनाम कर रहे हैं लोग।
Honorable members, honorable members, the leader of the opposition has said two things. One second, sir. I have taken note of it. I have taken note of it. Leader of the opposition has said one thing, that when a matter is under investigation, we should not be making a debate of it. I would greatly appreciate this be followed. I find it's breached virtually every day. Everything under investigation is more subject of investigation in our debate. Number two, to respond to the Honorable LOP, I was extremely concerned, and therefore I myself ascertained whether the Honorable member had really attended the House. I couldn't go more than that. And I found out from the record which we maintained electronically that the Honorable member had in fact signed that he had come to the House. Now, I have not made any reflection. I cannot, Honorable members, I cannot even say whether the currency notes are genuine or not. I can't even say whether they are handed or not. I can't say. So, Tiruchi, Mr. Tiruchi Shiva, Mr. Tiruchi Shiva, Mr. Tiruchi Shiva.
Mr. Chairman, sir. Sir, Mr. Chairman, sir. Sir, you are the custodian of the House, sir. Sir, we repose everything to you only. You have made an observation. We are all silent, sir. The minister is provoking their members to get up and shout, sir. It's totally unfair, sir. Totally unfair. No, I saw that. Totally unfair, sir. Why should they disturb the House unnecessarily? Why should they disturb the House?
Sir, zero. Sir, please zero. Sir.
Sir, you have. This is the upper house, and it is highly regarded. And every word spoken and every action we do here are well recorded, documented, and people watch it. And you had in the very initial stage, you have observed correctly that as per the routine protocol checked, the anti-sabotage team checked the seats just to wind up the proceedings and the house. During that procedure, the so-called the note was found. And the seat numbers were deciphered, and the members also signed that day. You have mentioned it. But I don't understand why there should be objection that the chair should not take the name of the member. When? No, but then chairman has rightly pointed out the seat number and the member who occupies that particular seat number. What is wrong in that? Why there should be objection? And moreover, when the members have agitated, there is a reason. You can't just put the blame on the members who has a concern. Don't you think that while we are going towards the digital India, carrying a bundle of notes in the house is appropriate? Definitely this is not appropriate. We don't carry note bundles in the house. You don't need to pay that much of money if it was a genuine note. So that is why it is a serious matter, and I fully agree with the observation of the Honorable Chairman that there must be serious investigation, and the concern raised by the Honorable members are also very genuine.
I think, honorable members, the step taken at my end was minimal. It does not cast that I have transgressed. It was my duty to bring to your notice. Yes.
You told it is under investigation. Without investigating, how can you say a particular man or particular seat? How?
You are casting aspersion on the chair. I have said, honorable members, I have said it was recovered from a seat allotted to someone. Leader of the House. Why target me every time? Targeting the chairman is the least easy. Honorable Leader of the House.
आदरणीय अध्यक्ष जी, ये जो घटना घटी है, ये घटना बहुत ही असाधारण घटना है और बहुत ही सीरियस नेचर की घटना है। यह घटना पक्ष और विपक्ष में विभाजित होने के लिए नहीं है, ये सदन की गरिमा पर एक चोट है और सदन के कर्तृत्व पर एक तरीके से प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह है। मुझे आप पर और आपकी रूलिंग पर पूरा भरोसा है कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन डिटेल में होगा और दूध का दूध पानी का पानी होगा। लेकिन प्रजातंत्र में कभी कुछ बातें अपने पक्ष में आती हैं, कुछ अपने विपक्ष में आती हैं। किसी पर आप तीव्रता दिखाओ और किसी मुद्दे को आप मिट्टी डालो, यह ठीक नहीं है। हमारे लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन वरिष्ठ नेता हैं, मैं उनसे एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था कि वो कहेंगे कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो, अच्छे तरीके से हो, और सर मैं भी लॉयर हूं, आई एम ऑल्सो लॉयर। माननीय, आज 0 आवर की बड़ी चिंता हो रही है, बड़ी चिंता हो रही है सर। गुड सेंस शुड प्रिवेल ऑन द ऑपोजिशन ऑलवेज। हमेशा उनको सुबुद्धि आए और 0 आवर चले। लेकिन मैं लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन के वक्तव्य में कहीं इन्वेस्टिगेशन को प्रीएम्प्ट करने की कोशिश तो नहीं चल रही है, इसको भी ध्यान में रखने की जरूरत है। और इसलिए विथ हेल्दी माइंड and with healthy spirit we should take it and the investigation should continue और डिटेल आना चाहिए। साथ ही साथ इस घटना को कंडेम सभी लोगों को करना चाहिए, इधर के पक्ष को भी उधर के पक्ष को भी। धन्यवाद
सर। But before, one second, but before leader of the opposition speaks,
Yes.
you have said I have named someone. Let me invite your attention that from this chair, I am scrupulous that nobody is hurt. What I said was, apparently, a wad of currency notes was recovered by the security official from seat number 20222, presently allotted to Shri Abhishek Manu Singhvi, elected from state. I don't cast any aspersion on anyone.
Yes, देखिए,
It's a seat. I have to
you are,
indicate who allotted
see, I request you, sir, yourself told that it will be investigated, and after investigation only you can come to the conclusion.
Yes.
We never objected that you should not investigate. Have we objected? Why Mr. Nadda should say that I am trying to suppress that matter? We never. You suppress so many things and you people do that. We don't do that. It is your quality. It is your quality.
Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record. Are you sure?
बड़ा गंभीर विषय है, क्योंकि आज तो वैड ऑफ करेंसी नोट मिले हैं, कल पता नहीं उस तरफ क्या क्या और चीजें मिल सकती है। और हम कई सेशन के ऊपर सेशन पे देखते जा रहे हैं कैसे फेक नैरेटिव और फेक न्यूज और फेक आरोप के ऊपर विपक्ष के नेता, सदन के विपक्ष के नेता और इनके सभी ये अनैतिक गठबंधन के नेताओं ने बार बार ना सदन को चलने दिया, देश में लोगों को गुमराह करने की कोशिश की और विदेशी ताकतों के ऊपर ये अपने पूरे नैरेटिव को बनाते हैं। विदेशी रिपोर्टों के ऊपर ये बार बार सदन की गतिविधियों को खराब करते हैं, चलने नहीं देते। मैं समझता हूँ ये बड़ा गंभीर विषय है कि इसमें भी कोई साजिश तो नहीं है विपक्ष की, जिससे आगे चल के ये फेक नैरेटिव को और आगे बढ़ाए। उसके लिए क्या गिव एंड टेक होता है, ये सब चीजों के ऊपर लोगों ने चिंता करनी पड़ेगी। आज जो माननीय लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन ने कहा है, मैं समझता हूँ फिर इसको एक रूल बनाया जाए सदन में कि कोई भी विषय जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रहा हो, कोई भी विषय जिसके ऊपर गंभीरता से कानूनी प्रक्रिया हो रही हो, क्या विपक्ष आज सदन को और देश को कहना चाहता है कि आगे से ये सदन को ठीक से चलने देंगे और कभी भी ऐसे फेक नैरेटिव के ऊपर कभी भी ये सदन को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे और फेक नैरेटिव के ऊपर ये विदेशी ताकतों के ऊपर कभी अपना विश्वास नहीं जताएंगे।
The Honorable Minister, one second. The Honorable Minister has responded to an issue raised by LOP that if a matter is under investigation, that should not be debated. Fair enough. But he says that it should be a general rule.
Said that I said when our chairman is investigating,
I am not
it is
investigating.
not a court. I never saw the judiciary.
No.
I said when you are investigating,
I am not investigating.
and you are getting information, they need not bother. We are safe in your hand. As
Honorable
long as you are
members.
fair, we are safe in your hand. अरे बैठो सबको देख चलो।
Honorable
But-
members,
चुप।
I don't investigate myself.
Then who
I
will
cause
investigate?
investigation to take place. It is an expert. For example, let me tell you, sir. One second. I have been extremely careful that anti-sabotage check must be very severe, because in these highly technological situations where chemicals are used, anyone may use anything, this side or that side, the first and foremost is security. From that perspective, it was done.
उतरा तब कितने दिन इन्होंने हाउस नहीं चलने दिया था? तब भी तो इन्वेस्टिगेट हो रहा था। तब कितने दिन हाउस नहीं चलने दिया था? चलने देंगे? मान्य सदस्यों ने, नेताओं ने तय करना चाहिए कि 0 आवर हम सबकी संपत्ति है, तो आगे से हर बार 0 आवर में ये संतुष्ट करें कि कभी डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे। क्वेश्चन आवर उतना ही जरूरी है, लेजिस्लेटिव बिजनेस गवर्नमेंट का उतना ही जरूरी है।